Everyone wants peace in their life, but often we think of peace as an external thing and look for it in distant places, whereas peace is completely internal. Consciousness of our mind. Today's story is about the search for peace. Once there was a king who was very fond of paintings. So one day he made an announcement in his kingdom that any painter who would make and bring painting that depicts peace best way will be rewarded. On decided day, many painters reached King's palace with their paintings. King looked at all the paintings one by one. At end, he chose 2 from them. He announced that one of those 2 paintings will be selected for reward, but before that, those 2 paintings were kept on display for people to see. Many people came to see those selected paintings. First painting was of a very beautiful, calm lake. Water of lake was so clear that even inner surface of lake was visible. Icebergs existing around it was emerging on it as if mirror had been kept. Sky was blue with white clouds looking like balls of cotton were floating. Second painting was of mountains, which looked completely dry, lifeless, deserted, and on top of mountains were thick thundering clouds in which lightning was shining. River was in spate due to heavy rains. Trees were swaying due to strong winds, and waterfall in one side was raging. Anyone who saw first painting felt that there cannot be a better picture to depict peace than this, but they were confused about why King chose the second one, because whoever saw that painting would think that there was only disturbance in that painting. Everyone was sure that first painting would win after public display was closed. King got up from his throne and announced that prize would be given to painter who made second painting. Everyone was in wonder. One of minister asked King, "What is there in that painting that you decided to choose it as winner? Where is peace in that painting?" King went near painting and said, "Look at this tree bent to one side by the wind on the left side of the waterfall. Look at the nest on its branch. See how bird is feeding its chicks with such tenderness, calmness, and love." Then King explained, being calm does not mean that you are in a situation where there is no noise, no problem, where there is no hard work, where you are not tested. The true meaning of being peaceful is that you can be in the midst of all kinds of chaos, disturbance, chaos, and yet you remain calm, focused on your work, and moving towards your goal. Now everyone understood why the king had chosen the second picture.